Welcome back, students. Now this is the session to answer your queries. The one question asked by a student was this: how to do it? Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Explain why they are composite numbers. In the previous video, okay, this question was there, but somehow I missed to solve it, right? Okay, it's very important question, okay? So let's see. First of all, you have to prove that these two, this and this, are composite numbers. So when you have to prove composite numbers, you should know what composite numbers are. And what is the definition of composite number? A number having more than two factors. A number having more than two factors are composite numbers. Like 10. Uska 1 और 10 तो factor है ही. But besides that, it has 2. उसके आगे है या ना है, forget. But third factor is there, so it is composite. If you talk about 5, alright, its factors are 1 and 5. After that, there are no more factors, so this is not composite. 6, 1 and 6. 1 is factor of all number, the number itself is factor. So 1 और 6 तो है. उसके बाद is 2 a factor? Yes. Is 3 a factor? Yes. लेकिन मुझे तो तीसरा मिल गया, so it is composite. Alright, उसके आगे factor है या ना है? We are least concerned because we got the third factor, which is more than 2. So it is a composite number. Now look, children, 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So 2 is a factor of 10, 5 is also a factor of 10. कह सकते हैं ना, 1 और 10 तो है ही है, but 2 is also a factor, so we got the third factor. 5 is the fourth factor. Are you getting me? So you can say 2 is a factor. Now instead of 5, if I write this, 2 plus 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 2? 4. What is 4 plus 1? 5. Yeah, instead of 5, I am writing this. Do you have any problem in that? Why? It's one and the same. 5. So you can say 2 is a factor of 10. 1 or 10 to hai. Now you got the third factor. So you can say 10 is composite. We are going to use this trick here. Okay? Let's see the first number. It is very easy, children. It's very easy. First number. Solution 1. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Children, this is one expression having two terms. 7 into 11 into 13 is the first term and 13 is the second term. If you want, you can write multiply by 1 if you want. Okay. So two terms, in two terms 13 is common. Alright, children, first let x is equal to this. ये जो number है, जो two terms वाला expression है, I'm going to call it x. अब x है तो उसके दो factor तो है ही है, 1 and x, the number itself. We have to show that this x has the third factor also. Fine. Yeah, right hand side. 13 is common. So in the bracket you will get 7 into 11 plus into 1, you can imagine. So 1. Hey children, 13 is factor of x. So you got the third factor. So now x has 3 factors. So x is composite. This x is composite. That x is nothing but this. Are you getting me? Okay. So you call it 1. इसको result 1 कह दो. By 1, it follows that x has follows that 13, this 13 is a factor of x besides 1 and x. Besides 1 and x, 13 is a factor. i.e. x has more than 2 factors. Therefore, x is composite. i.e. but what is x? What do you see here? 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 is composite number. Prove. Are you getting me? Follow? Okay. Now the second one in that. All right, what is that? 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. It is also two terms. Let me say, let small a is equal to this number. Okay, it has two terms. You may write into 1 if you want. Okay, what is common in the two terms? अभी मैंने ये बताया. This number on right hand side has two terms and that expression I called it a. A के दो factor तो है ही है. 1 और a. Are you getting me? चलो, third factor क्या है? So what is common in the two terms? 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus plus 1. अब ये जो भी हो, you got a as the third factor, i.e. 5 is a factor of a besides 1 and a. Therefore, a has more than two factors. A has more than two factors. All right. Therefore, a is composite number, i.e. what is a? ये पूरा 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is composite number. Composite number. Proved. Are you getting me, children? Now see, some people will do like this. कुछ लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. 5 into, now 6 7s are 42. 42, this is multiplication, right? 42 or this is 12 2s are 24. 42 into 24, 0, 4, 8. 8 and 16. So 8, 0 and a 10. Plus 1. So it is 1009. And they try to factorize this if any factor is there further possible. Alright, then they show the other factors. So a has more than two factors. We don't want to do that. We don't want to do this. We don't want to do this. Because we got the third factor 5. That's enough. What is the definition of composite number? If a number has more than two factors, then it is composite. So we got the third factor. We are least concerned how many more factors a has. Alright. So ऐसे लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Fine. Understood, children? I hope so. Now, this is from R.D. Sharma book. Okay. This three questions that I am going to solve are not important from the point of view of examination. They are not asked in the board examination. But these are optional questions. Let us make our concept more stronger. Right? Okay. Yeah, a logical reasoning has to keep on increasing. The more experienced we are in using a logical reasoning, yes, our maths will become more powerful. Alright? Chaliye. Show that root 5 plus root 3 is irrational. This is now number 2. We use the word suppose, right? Even let can be used. Suppose root 5 plus root 3 is rational. This is what we are going to suppose. We have to prove irrational, but we suppose rational. I.e. root 5 plus root 3 is equal to a upon b. Is rational. Children, now both are roots. So what to do? You take one term on other side. One square root on other side. Which one? Any you like. Root 5 is equal to a upon b minus root 3 is rational. That will continue. Children, now squaring on both sides because you want to remove this root. So I'll put here only square of left hand side is equal to square of right hand side is also rational. Now this gives me 5. Now this is x minus y whole square. What is the expansion? X square minus 2xy plus y square. So first term square, a square upon b square, minus 2 into first term, a upon b, into second term, root 3, alright, plus root 3 square, alright, is rational, is rational. So therefore 5 is equal, this is a square upon b square. A square upon b square minus 2a up 2 root 3 a upon b plus 3 is rational. Children, very interesting. अब देखो एक ही, यहां दो रूट स्क्वायर रूट्स थे, अभी एक ही बच गया. Take that on one side and make it subject of the formula. Please pay attention. This term containing root I'm taking on right and left hand side. माइनस है तो वो प्लस भी हो जाएगा. 2 root 3 a upon b is equal to a square upon b square plus 3 और ये minus 5. Therefore 2 root 3 a upon b is equal to a square upon b square minus 2 plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 is rational. Is rational. This you will have to continue. Is rational. All right. Only root 3 is wanted. Therefore root 3 is equal to b ऊपर गया, a नीचे आया, 2b नीचे आया, 2a नीचे आया, b ऊपर, और ये ब्रैकेट में लिखते हैं a square upon b square minus 2 is rational. I hope you understood. ये तो रेशनल है, कोई भी नंबर a और b की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो, you will find rational. Right hand side is rational, but the left hand side is not rational. लेकिन वो हमारे पास कुछ रिजल्ट नहीं है, so I'm going to call this as result number first. अब क्या करेंगे बच्चों? Now we have to prove that root 3 is irrational. Now we shall prove that root 3 is irrational. और वो शुरुआत करो फिर क्या? Suppose root 3 is rational, i.e. root 3 is equal to m upon n, where m not equal to 0, and HCF of m and n is equal to 1. Call it result 1. फिर till you get root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is irrational. Call it result number 2. अब देखो ये बता रहा है root 3 is rational, और यहां कह रहा है root 3 is irrational. So what will say? By 1 and 2 it follows that our supposition is wrong. Our supposition that root 5 plus root 3 is rational is wrong. So what is correct? Root 5 plus root 3 is irrational. I hope you understood. You try to write on your own. Okay? Fine. Chaliye children. Now the next one. Find the number nearest to 24,001 between 24,001 and 25,000. Actually this is 25,000 divisible by 6, 24 and 40. Children, इसको समझने से पहले मैं सिंपल सा नंबर ले रहा हूं 4, 6 और 8. Find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 4, 6 and 8. Let's say that number is x, divisible by 4, 6 and 8. Remainder 0, exactly divisible means remainder 0. So what you can say? X is LCM of 4, 6 and 8. याद करो. Alright. So now what is LCM of 4, 6 and 8? Find out. 2 2s are, 3s are, 4s are. Any method you can employ. 2 1s are, 3 as it is, 2s are. 2 1s are, 3 as it is, and 3 1s are. So that gives me 24. 8 3s are 24. So what is the LCM? 24. So उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? 24. 24 ये सबसे छोटा नंबर है which is exactly divisible by 6, 4 and 8. Is there any other number other than 24 which is divisible by 6, 4 and 8? 4, 6 और 8 से divisible है? Yes. उसके बाद का multiple 48. 48 is divisible. उसके बाद का multiple, what is that? 72. That is divisible. उसके बाद 96. Yes, divisible. 96 के बाद 120. Yes, उसके बाद 144. So you have infinite numbers which are exactly divisible by 4, 6 and 8. But which is the least one? LCM, least common multiple. Alright. Now, here I give a twist in the question. Which is the first 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 4, 6 and 8? Can you answer it? Yes. 3-digit number exactly divisible by this is 120. Children, but how can you get it? Very easy. If you want to find 3-digit, please try to understand. Which is the smallest number of 3-digit? Which is the smallest number of 3-digit? 100. And which is the largest number of 3-digit? 999. Divide them by the LCM. जो भी LCM है उससे divide करो दोनों. 24 4s are 96 and 4 remains. Correct? 24 4s are 96, 3 and 9, and 24 1s are 24, 5 and 15 remains. Children, इससे क्या पता चला कि 100 is not a multiple of 24 because remainder is 4. 999 is not a multiple of 24 because remainder is not 0. एक काम करते हैं, वो 100 में से 4 माइनस कर दो, so what you got? 96. So 96 is multiple of 24. उसी तरह 999 में से ये जो रिमाइंडर है 15 माइनस कर लो, so 984 is a multiple of 24. चलिए, ये मल्टीपल ऑफ 24, उसके बाद का मल्टीपल जानना हो तो उसमें प्लस 24 करो, so 120. 96 is multiple, next multiple is 120. उसके बाद का जानना हो तो प्लस 24, so that is 144. देखो 120 आया, देखो 96 के बाद 120, 120 के बाद 144. So अभी बताइए, which is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 20? What is that? कहाँ लिखा? 4, 6 and 8. All right. So that is 120. Which is the largest number of 3-digit which is exactly divisible by 4, 6 and 8? That will be 984. अब इसमें 24 प्लस करने जाऊं तो 8, 10 और ये 4 डिजिट का हो गया. And this is the smallest 4-digit number exactly divisible by 4, 6 and 8. Are you getting me? ऐसा ही कुछ यहाँ है. I hope you understood. Of course, it is little bit difficult, but once you understand, it's very easy. Find a number nearest to 24,001 between 24,000 and 25,000 divisible by 16, 24 and 40. First what we do, we find the least number which is divisible by 16, 24 and 40. Let X be the LCM of 16, 24 and 40. Let's find out 16, 24 and 40. सब 4 से divisible है, डायरेक्ट कर दिया. 4 4s are 4, 6s are 4, 10s are. Now 2 2s are 2, 3s are 2, 5s are. 2 1s are 3 as it is. 3 1s are 5 as it is. 5 1s are. So now you got 5 2s are 10, 24, 240. Which is that number? 240. That is LCM. That is LCM. But we want a number of close to this, between this and this. ये दो नंबर के बीच नंबर चाहिए which is divisible by 16, 24 and 40. And it should be closer to this, 24,001. So what I do? I'll divide that 24,001, which is the first number, by least common multiple. Children, आपको divide करना ही है. You understand? उसी नंबर से. So 241s are 240. ये डिवीजन अब आपने देखा है, एक डिजिट नीचे लाते हैं, नहीं डिवाइड होता है. So 240 zeros are 0, माइनस करो. इसको लाया, अब इसको लाए, फिर भी नहीं डिवाइड होता है. Zeros are, this subtraction is 1. Now I am bringing this 1. Okay, not divisible. So 240 zeros are 0. Now there are no more digits to be brought down. So division is over. The remainder is 1. So this is not a 24,001 is not a multiple of 240. अब इसका multiple चाहिए तो एक remove करो. 24001 minus 1. So that is 24,000. 24,000. This is a multiple of 240. But हमें नंबर चाहिए between 24,001 and 25,000. उसके बीच चाहिए. ये तो सेम नंबर उसके आगे आ गया. Not between 24,001 and 25,000. So if you want to find the next number, you add that. 240 add कर लो. So 04242. So this is your answer. The number exactly divisible by 16, 24 and 40 between 24,001 and 25,000 and nearer to 24,001 is 24,240. Say suppose you were asked nearer to 25,000. आपको ऐसा पूछा गया होता कि nearer to 25,000 तो क्या करते आप 25,000 को divide by 240 करते. Children, you might think कि ये 25,000 divide by 240 कुछ zeros cancel कर दो तो आसान हो गया. नहीं, ऐसा division नहीं करना है. आपको divide by 240 compulsory करना है. Right? So let's divide. 240 ones are 240. 0, 1. Bring down next digit 0. नहीं जा रहा है तो zeros are 0 or 100. Next digit. And this is 4s are 8 and 160. 960. So 40 remains. 40 remains. So this number is not a multiple of 240. लेकिन आपको जानना है तो ये 40 निकाल दो. 25,000 minus 40. 0, 6, 9, 4 or 2. Yes, children. This is the number which is a multiple of 240. उससे divide होगा exactly. And that number is lying between 24,001 and 25,000 and nearer to 25,000. Is that clear? Fine. I hope you understood. Fine. Next number is similar one. You can do yourself. I'm not going to write a single word, but I'll explain to you. I'll give you the hint. Find the largest number of 6 digit divisible by 18, 24 and 30. First you find out the least number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 30. And what is that least number? LCM. Let me write. LCM of 18, 24 and 30. Whatever you get. That you divide by, you want the largest number of 6 digit. Now which is the largest number of 6 digit? Correct? 9,99,999. Divided by whatever LCM you get. Whatever LCM you get. What is the LCM? Is it 240 or 360? You find out children, whatever. ये LCM आया, जो भी आया. Divide करो. जो भी remainder आएगा. Remainder जो भी आया remainder. ये remainder आ. उसमें remainder 0 आया तो जवाब मिल गया. This is the largest number. Remainder 0 नहीं आया तो this is not a multiple. So जो भी हो 99999 minus जो भी remainder आएगा उसको minus करो. So this will be the number, largest number of 6 digit which are exactly divisible by 18, 24 and 30. Clear to you children? Alright. Now many children keep on asking whether we have to solve the exercise or not. Yes children, when I say the chapter is over, you have to solve all the exercises. When I talk about chapter 1, real numbers, all the illustrations and exercise examples are already solved. Very few you will find which are not solved and you can solve on your own, right? And make a proper book and write in them. Okay? Books and write in them. Now children, tomorrow is your test. Tomorrow the test will be conducted exactly at 10 a.m. Alright? On YouTube, I'll put the test paper at 9:50 a.m. Okay? So 9:50 you can open your cell phone and open the YouTube and see. Okay? Or your WhatsApp number, school WhatsApp number, right? And there, from school WhatsApp you will get. 9:50 you open, read the question. 10 minutes is for reading the questions of the question paper. Right? And exactly at 10 o'clock you start writing. Some children have asked me whether to write the test in notebook or in paper, page, supplementary. I think you do one thing. Make one test book separate and write in the book. Write in the book, okay? 10 o'clock you start. The time is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Time allotted for test. It is 30 marks test, as you have seen in the style of paper, right? So 1 hour 15 minutes, that means 75 minutes in all, if you consider only minutes. All right. So your test gets over at 11:15 a.m. 11:15 a.m. All right. Put your pen down as soon as 11:15 time gets ready, right? Okay. Now, at 11:15, so at 11:20, you can see the solution. You can see the answer key. All right. You yourself have to correct it. Okay. See the answer key and correct your paper. And as I said earlier, on the first page, first you have to write the name of school, Divine Public School, Navsari. All right, write nicely. Then your name, full name. Say suppose your name is, for my name if I have to write Patel Prakash R. Then your class with division, 10th, E1 or E2 or E3. Is that clear? Okay. Then you can put your date, whatever date the test is and all that. Okay. And then you start writing on the first page. Alright. And you have to leave line. Before you start your answer, you have to leave 3 lines. After correcting the paper, whatever is your score, out of 30, say suppose you scored 25 or even 5, doesn't matter. Don't worry about your score. You just make efforts to do the best. Okay. So whatever is your score, and then here parent signature you take. Okay. Parents, whatever signature you take there. And then you take a picture of it and send it to me on my personal mobile. 9879 338 663. This is 8. Okay. A little instruction, request for parents as well. Please see that your child or children starts the test as per the schedule and they are very honest while writing the test. Okay. So I hope you all are preparing for the test. Okay. And wish you all the best. Good luck. I'm sure you're going to do well. Best of luck.